Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Circle K. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in circlek.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Circle K website. Now, when you proceed with the login option, you will see that there is no option that you can click in order to reset your password. So if you have forgotten your credentials, from the home page, click on the Contact Us button at the top section and this will take you into the support page. Just enter your full name followed by your email address and your phone number and then type in your zip code or your postal code and choose your area and enter the store address. Now underneath, I have a question about. Click on the drop-down menu and then choose website. Now within the comments section, simply type in that you have forgotten your account password and you need to have it reset. After typing this comment, click on I'm not a robot and then click on the submit button to file your report to the Circle K support team. Once you have filed your report, you will get a response within your inbox within a few business days. And through this email, you can simply click on a link that will allow you to change your password. And there you have it. That is how you can reset your password on Circle K. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.